In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and share a Xero dashboard report to Slack. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a dashboard you rely on in Xero and send it straight into a Slack channel for quick team visibility. First, sign in to your Xero account. A desktop browser works best for this workflow since you'll see all the options clearly. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and click Reporting. This is your hub for everything related to financial insights and performance. From there, select Dashboards. You'll see the dashboards available to you. Pick the one you want to share. Before you send it, take a quick moment to confirm any date ranges or filters are set the way you need. Sending the right snapshot saves time and avoids confusion later. Now look for the Export option, typically at the top of the dashboard. Click Export, and when the export destinations appear, choose Slack. If you don't see Slack as an option, your organization may need to enable the integration or permissions, so it's worth checking with your admin. Next, you'll be prompted to choose the report orientation. Portrait works well for shorter or narrower layouts, while landscape is often better for dashboards with wider tables or multiple columns. Think about readability on Slack. Landscape can prevent cramped visuals and unnecessary wrapping. Click. Next, to move to the sharing screen. Here, enter the Slack channel email address. Many teams use Slack's email integration to generate a unique email for a specific channel. Make sure you use the correct channel address so the report lands where your teammates expect it. If you're unsure, confirm with your workspace admin or the person who manages your Slack integrations. Before sending, review the Slack sharing details carefully. Check the channel email address, the file name, and any message text included with the export. If you see options like file type or title, choose what will be clearest for your team and double-check that the date range on the dashboard matches what you intend to share. A quick review here prevents noisy follow-ups later. When everything looks right, click Send. Xero will process the export and deliver it to Slack. It may take a moment to arrive, depending on size and network speed. Once delivered, your team will see the dashboard right in the channel, ready for discussion and next steps. That's it. Quick, accurate, and consistent. Use this same flow anytime you want to keep your team aligned on the latest numbers directly in Slack. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.